Are you looking for the best treadmills under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best treadmills under $500. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Goplus Compact Treadmill. Now we are going to discuss the Goplus Compact Folding Running Machine for home use. The Goplus is not only a popular name in the fitness world, but also it is the well brand for all types of exercise equipment with cheap price range. Thoughtful design, silent operating options, and much more amazing workout features makes it a fantastic best folding machine for indoor use. However, space-saving options considering small living room and bestseller rating makes it more popular running equipped. Although all of the essential requirements fulfill this compact folding exercise gadget, unlikely it is not fit for a heavier or taller person. On the other hand, it is a very stylish and unique model running or walking for your personal use. Features: safety key. Present time most of the manufacturer offers a safety key that will help for emergency stop working within a moment to improve safety feature, so you can focus workout without any issues. Space-saving design. Now we are living in a small apartment and don't have any space for small equipped. Thinking for this matter, Goplus manufacturer provides small and space-saving workout appliance that gives you lots of workout with short space. Quiet operation. If you're equipped to give you high-level sound, so it is bad for your workout and you can focus fully. But this machine enables us to give a quiet workout smoothly without making noise. Fitness monitor. Here you will get around the digital LCD display that will show stop/start, speed, distance, time, calories, and you can select the different mode for your wish. Even, it will allow a maximum of 220 pounds capacity. That's enough for the overall user. Number 2. Xterra Fitness TR-150 Folding Treadmill. Xterra Fitness TR-150 Folding Treadmill is one of the top treadmills under $500. The Xterra brands has fantastic LCD display features with a quick start button for speed and programs operate. It is a combination of quality and performance. Due to its durable structure, it offers for a lifetime frame warranty. Its reliable motor has an extensive range of speed capacity from 0.5 miles per hour to 10.0 miles per hour. The 12 preset programs guide you like a personal trainer at home. You can use the 3 manual inline for maximum variety. It has a large running deck for a comfortable workout. In addition, the heart rate pulse sensors are attached to the handlebars to detect your heart rate. Features large running surface. The TR-150 has a wide running or walking surface of 16-inch by 50-inch in. That means you can comfortably running or jogging on the surface without dropping. Preloaded workout programs. With the 12 preset preloaded workout programs, you have a choice of different exercises to do. Added in, interval training, hill climbing, and weight loss exercise. Especially, using the Xterra Fitness app you can make your custom workout. Fold-up design. Buying the best folding treadmill under $500, you can simply save your valuable home or gym space. The TR-150 is designed to be folded up when not in use, so need to panic about the store of your favorite gym device. Manual incline option. The manual incline option allows you to adjust the incline of your treadmill anywhere 3 levels. Using this manual incline, you can boost your training in different ways. Large LCD console. This 5-inch large LCD fitness console tracks your progress accurately: speed, calories, distance, time, and pulse. Maximum weight load. There are different running machines support different types of weight capacity, but this device can load more than 250 pounds. With this gym machine, 250-pound heavy people can exercise without any worries. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill SF7515. The next entry-level equipment is Sunny Health Fitness SF Portable Treadmill that's ideal for seniors person. An ideal appliance is the best way to develop your balances levels as well as strength levels without paying a massive budget. Sunny Health and Fitness build quality fitness products. Portable fitness equipped gives you lots of advantages such as storage, easy to fold up, transportation, whatever you want. Although, The equipped comes with a mid-range price range. It will be promising top-class performance. However, solid constriction and thoughtful design make it entry-level running motor that is perfect for your jogging and running. I hope if you have not other consideration so you can choices it without any confutation and starting your fitness journey smoothly. Features budget-friendly. Are you looking for a good budget-friendly treadmill under $500? The Sunny Health and Fitness portable running machine are suitable for all users who want to exercise at home. Quiet and smooth operation. Nobody likes sound because it interrupted your fitness journey. Using the Sunny Health Fitness running equipment, you can smoothly continue your workout session because it does not give you sound. Folds up and space-saving design. Basically, the manufacturer allows fold-up, a system that you can easily fold after your exercise. Besides, the space-saving design gives you lots of advantages so that you can keep yourself equipped with any corner. LCD fitness monitor. Normally, the LCD monitor tracks your workout data such as time, distance, calories, and other essential exercise data. Number 4. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Goplus folding running machine is a best budget treadmill under $500. You can afford this spending around $400. So, I think it is a great product of value-oriented price with great features. Basically, it has an excellent LCD display that shows all necessary workout data. You can use it for your indoor fitness and designed for personal use that allows up to 265 pounds user's body weight. It does not produce extra noise because it has to cushion design on both sides of the running surface that lower the vibration on the floor. You can control its speed from 1.0 kmph to a maximum of 12 kmph using one button on the handrail. The emergency safety key to stopping this machine emergency that is attached to the handrail. Features powerful motor. This GOPLUS treadmill comes with a 2.25 HP powerful motor. The motor has been designed to be as quiet as possible so you can enjoy your exercise without hearing any loud noises. Foldable mechanism. Basically, the foldable mechanism option designed to easily store when it not used. The best folding treadmill comes under $500 that is affordable for the user. Easy to read display. The easy to read display is the main feature of your fitness machine. With the foldable device, you can explore a blue LCD console that measures your activities properly. Safety key. Probably, you know that training on the running machine is requiring body balance. Insufficient body balance reason to your injuries. For the solution, you can start your running utilizing the safety key because it prevents the belt from moving when there is no one on it. Bluetooth app control. In the current time, many modern technologies invented for luxury's life. The Bluetooth app control option makes your exercise easier through the app because using it you can control speed anywhere at home. Number 5. Exerpeutic Electric Treadmill TF-1000. Exerpeutic Electric Treadmill TF-1000 is a heavy-duty runner that allows up to 400 pounds user's body weight. You can use Exerpeutic TF-1000 if you are obese and want to reduce your weight. It has an extra-large handlebars for more security. You will feel comfortable due to its extra-large tread belt. Its excellent warranty policy will keep you in a safe side for long-lasting. You can store it easily due to its foldable and transportable design. Usually, Exerpeutic TF-1000 has the heart rate sensors on handlebars with speed button to speed up and speeds down. Features budget user-friendly. Many people want to exercise on the running gym machine, but the price is the first reason for not use. Although these reviews discuss the best treadmill for a home under $500, then most of the user can pick up the device within the budget. Safety handle. Using the safety handle can improve your performance because it allows you to have more stability and control on the device. Supporting weight. The Exerpeutic TF-100 Ultra running gym machine supports more than 400 pounds, which are high-weight capacity equipment. Adjustable speed. TF-100 Advanced Running Treadmill provides an adjustable speed option to control speed from 0 to 4 miles per hour. The ideal speed can increase the activities that you're looking for also. Treadmill belt. It has 20L x 40W inches large running belts that you can move comfortably without any injuries. Exclusive LCD display. LCD display console track and show your performance time, walking distance, calories burned, pulse and speed. Manual incline option. With this equipment, you can get 2 manual inclines for increasing fitness strength effectively. Number 6. Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill with Device Holder. Sunny Health Fitness SF-T4400 Pink is a stylish and eye-catching model for home use. When you store inside of your home, looks like a home decor due to its stylish design. Sunny Health Fitness SF-T4400 has a simple design that allows up to 220 pounds user's body weight for running. You can run on the gadget with speed range from 0.5 miles per hour to 9.0 miles per hour speed. The hand-gripped heart rate sensors to detect your pulse rate. It has an easily foldable and portable structure for storage. The soft drop mechanism will help you easily unfold and fold safely. Features: handrail controls. No doubt that everyone knows that running or walking on the treadmill required minimum body balance. The handrail is one of the best features for those who are a newbie and using the treadmill for increasing balance. Built-in workout programs. This colorful running machine comes with 9 built-in preloaded workouts that target different goals, such as endurance, weight loss, and speed. Utilizing the programs, you can create your workout routine for development. User weight capacity. The solid and attractive running machine supports up to 220 pounds of weight, which is ideal for the average user. Soft drop system. A soft drop system allows the treadmill to be folded in half for easy storage. This option saves your apartment space that's suitable for your workout. Transportation wheels. Are irritated to move your equipment from place to place? Don't need to panic because this device has transportation's wheels that make your job easy. It's also helpful for people who have a hard time lifting heavy objects, such as seniors or those recovering from injuries. Heavy-duty construction. It's made of a steel frame for commercial use. Number 7. OMA Treadmill for Home. Up next is probably the most well-known entry in this best treadmill under 500 reviews. Probably, in this list, it is the first electric folding jogging machine that's promising to give you running, jogging, and cardio exercise without paying lots of money. Especially, it has good workout option that's incredible on the exercise community. The innovative folding design great for storage after a workout. You can easily keep it your under desk, sofa, etc. whatever you want. Finally, great looking design, upgraded technology, and high quality performance give it more popular on the planet. If you're like folding a small home gym machine, so it is the ideal choice for your home use. Don't worry about lightweight design and small equipped because it is enough for almost 300 pounds weight users. Features multifunction LCD. The multifunctional LCD that tracks progress in speed, distance, time, burned calories, whatever you want. The built-in option like a Bluetooth speaker and phone brackets that provides listen to music and watching TV while workout sessions. Space-saving design. Foldable apparatus mainly makes for easy storage and space saving without having a struggle. After a complete workout, you can easy to store and move without hassle. Lightweight. Are you worried that your running equipped heavier is? If this answer is yes, so don't worry because it is a very lightweight design and very easy to move without using any strong muscle. Quiet motor and shock reduction options. The workout brand offer high levels of powerful motor speed with very quiet and gives you smooth and quiet operating options. Using it you can get well intensity with powerful speed.